So in this video, I'll be showing us how to connect our nav bar such in a way. This is a landing page for a lab, by the way. So I want when about us is clicked, is going to, okay, I've already connected this one. I want when about us is clicked, it will lead to about section. When services are clicked, it will lead to service section, testimony, and so on. So this is a go high level um page. So I'll be teaching us how to connect the nav bar to the sections in your go high level. So first you open up to the dashboard where you're working on, then you go to each of the section. So this is the service section. So I select the section, and then I scroll down. You go to styles and scroll down. You see this a CSS selector. So you just copy it. That's what you're just going to do. Copy it and you go back to your nav bar where these services are. Let's go. Okay. So general, and look for where services are. You click on these three dots by the right, and then you remove these services and paste the one you copied, right? And then click on submit. Okay, so let's go back and refresh. Okay, so let's click on service now to see if it's going to take us to the service section. So let's click. Okay, it didn't work. Sorry, let's see. Okay, let's go back again. Okay, I didn't really save completely, so let's refresh again and let's click. You can see it has taken us to the service section. That's taking us to this service section, right? So that same way again, you go to testimonials, you go to your testimonial section, and this is the testimonial sections, right? So you go to styles, you copy the CSS selector a link, you copy it, and go back to your nav bar and click on general, and click on these three dots by your right. Then you remove this one and paste what you copy. Then if you want it to open on a new tab, you can click here, but I don't want it to open on a new tab, so I'm going to be retaining it. So you click submit, and ensure you save your updates, right? So yeah, I've saved it, and if I go back here and refresh, it's going to connect to my testimonial. So this is how you're going to link your navbar to each sections on your website. So let's click testimonial. I can see it has taken us to testimonial page. So this is how you're going to link your sections to your navbar. So do you find this video interesting, or you've learned something new today? Please like, comment, share, and if you have questions, you can also ask it under the comment sections. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Maria-goretti. I am a website designer. I work with WordPress and Go High Level. I'm also a CRM automation specialist. I help you build websites that generate leads, quality leads for your brand. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.